Hello guys, welcome to Samran Store. Today I'm going to show you how to fix misalignment. As you can see here, I'm trying to write a rectangle using rectangle tool, and as you can see here, I couldn't find how to align this rectangle. No matter how hard I tried, it just cannot be aligned. I don't know how, but after a few research in internet, I finally know how to fix this. You just go to the essential workspace. You can also find it in window, and go to the workspace and click essentials, and you can find it on the right side and click snap to pixel to off. Then you will find it fixed. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share it if you think this video is useful for you. Thank you.